Narinig yun to ng mga kasabihan na, nako, mahirap lang tayo, wala tayong pera. Hindi para sa atin ang ganyan, pang mayaman lang yan. Nako, huwag kang pumasok dyan, baka maloko at malugi ka lang. If that is what you experienced and heard, you might not be aware that you are already settling for less, not for the best. Sa episode natin na ito, we are going to talk about on how you can reprogram your mind for wealth. Hi there, this is Chinkitan, your pambansang wealth coach. Itong topic natin, it's not about money only. Alam mo, paano natin i-reprogram ang ating brain? Just to give you a perspective, I'll give you an exercise. Type ka sa computer ng 1 million pesos. Gusto mo mag-print ng 1 million pesos. Nung oras na hinit mo yung enter na keyboard, ang lumabas nag-print piso. Ha? Bakit ganon? Inulit mo, nag-type kang 1 million, kita mo sa screen, 1 million. Pag-print mo, piso. Inulit mo, piso ulit. Question, ano ang may problem? Is it the keyboard? Number 1. Number 2, is it the screen? Or is it the computer? Or is it the printer? Again, keyboard or screen? Computer? Or is it the printer? Pakitype na lang sa chat section. Some people say printer. Hindi. Some people say screen. Hindi. 1 million. Kita mo nga. Tama naman eh. Some people say keyboard. Hindi. Nag-type kang 1 million. Yung ang lumabas eh. Eh kung hindi printer, hindi screen, hindi yung keyboard, ano po yung problema? Ang problema, yung programming ng computer. Yung programming ng computer, nilagay 1 million pero ang program niya, piso. So may mali sa computer language. Just like our brain. Sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, gusto kong yumaman, gusto kong masenso, gusto kong unlad. Pero yung reprogramming ng mindset mo, probably hindi pang 1 million, pang piso. Kaya nga kapatid, if you want to change something on the outside, you don't change something on the outside, but you change something from the inside. Everything that happens on the outside is only a reality of what's happening in the inside. Kaya ang tanong ko po sa inyo, yung program ng mind mo ay pang piso ba o pang 1 million? Kaya nga alam mo, ang reality, 95% ng daily thoughts na pumapasok po natin ay negative. Kahit gusto mong umangat sa buhay, pero yung programming ng mindset mo ay talagang pang mahirap or let's say, pang telenovela, ay nako, babalik ka pa rin sa old patterns mo. Marami tayong mga old, mga beliefs that really prevents us from becoming successful. Like for example, ito, na hindi ka naniniwala, check mo kung nararamdaman mo to. Yung parang number 1, you feel uncomfortable earning more than your parents ever did. Yung parang feeling mo, ay nako, hindi ako magiging successful kesa sa parents ko, magagaling sila eh. Or parati na lang may sense of comparison ko sa mga siblings mo. Or if not naman, parang feeling mo, yung mga taong kumikita ng malalaki at mabibilis, ay nako, mga ano'y korap yan, nakaw yan. Or pwedeng sabihin, nabuhay kaming ganito, mamamatay kaming ganito, yan ang talagang tadhana eh, tadhana to. Or if not naman, gusto mong mag-invest, magnegosyo, pero in reality, meron kang talagang negative na feeling na paano ko malugi? Paano ko hindi mag-work? Ito lang sabihin ko po sa inyo. Kung marami ka na check sa sinabi ko, it is time already to reprogram your mindset. So, story time tayo. Isa sa mga students ko, yung coaching, lagi na lang siyang parating impulsive. Kasi pag may nakitang bago, bibilin agad. Not because na siya po ay spoiled, but because nung bata siya, parating hand-me-down na lang ang binibigay sa kanyang mga laruan. Ano po ang nangyari nung kumita na siya? Nagkaroon siya ng revenge spending or tinatawag na deserve ko to or healing of the inner child. Pinagsama-sama na. Kaya ano naging resulta? Walang ipon, stress, at feeling guilty. Anong ibig ko sabihin nito? Hindi porket ikaw ay na-deprive nung ikaw ay bata pa, ibig sabihin, kailangan ubusin mo para to satisfy yourself. Depende on your way of thinking. I was also deprived when I was young. Wala akong laruan na magaganda at wala akong bike during the time. Talagang pinagpupunan ko pa dati. Pero hindi naman ako naging waldas. Bakit? Because I was able to reprogram my financial way of thinking from a spending to a saving, from a negative to a positive, from difficulties to opportunities. Nagigets nyo? Kaya may pag-asa pa eh. The question is, nagpiprint ako sa computer ko ng 1 million piso pa rin lumalabas. Paano ko ayusin to? Kailangan po natin you change. Change something first from the inside. Kailangan mo baguhin mo muna kung ano yung nasa mindset mo talaga. Again, like for example, paano ako nagbago? I can only tell you how I changed, how I became successful. Natural way of thinking po natin is negative. Paano kung malugi? Paano kung di mag-work? Diba? Natural yan. Pero you know what I did? Every day, I read the Word of God. Nababasa ko, I have plans to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you hope in the future. My plans is to make you the head, not the tail. I will make you the lender and the borrower, not the borrower. You will be at the top, never be at the bottom. Everything you touch will prosper. Yan ang change ko muna. Whenever bad things happen to me, I always remind myself of the promises of God in my life. I should never give up because God has a better plan for me. Nag-invest ako, nalugi ako. Okay lang, pinag-aralan ko naman to. But all things works for good for those who are called according to God's purpose. I equip and empower myself with the truth. Just like what Jesus experienced when he went into the wilderness. 40 days, he was so hungry, and then after the breaking of the fasting, sinabi ng devil, why don't you turn this stone into bread? Which he can. Sinabi niya, he knows the truth. Hindi siya nalinlang, hindi siya pwede magkasala. Sinabi niya, man does not live by bread alone, but by every word, every breath with the word of God. You have to change your input, your way of thinking. Kaya nga, magbasa, read books that can empower you, surround yourself with successful people. If you start surrounding yourself, kailangan magkaroon ka ng environment change. Palibot ka sa mga negative thinkers, mahahawa ka. Surround yourself with people who think growth, opportunities, and not survival. Kaya nga, I want to challenge you, kung wala kang community na ganito, i-direct na kita, we have a TYL community. Every month, we coach each other people. May group coaching. I am the one who coaches people. We have thousands of members already. So if you want to know more about TYL, just go to Google, type mo lang TYL, Chinkitan, The Yayamanin Life, para malaman mo what it's all about. Again, maraming salamat. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to the level of your mindset and your habits. Maraming taong gustong yumaman, pero maraming taong hindi naniniwala na sila ay yumayaman. Tatandaan po natin ang utak ay parang lupa. Kung anong tinanim mo, yan din ang aanihin mo. Kaya my question to you right now as we close this, what is one money belief that you believed when you were young up to right now? It's preventing you from succeeding. Ano isang money belief? Diba, mahirap kumita ng pera. Parati kami nalulugi. Ang question ko, are you willing to change right now? If you're willing to change, guys, I want to help you to reprogram your money mindset. Again, join me in my TYL group, or if not naman, if you need personal coaching, kung kailangan mo talaga for you to grow, to excel, to become successful, reach out to me sa chinkitan.com. I-message mo ako. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.
Chinky Tan, with over 6 million Facebook followers, 2.8 million YouTube subscribers, and 2.4 million TikTok fans, is now all out to share with you the most practical, simplest path to lasting wealth.